Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today when I am launching the eFootball 2026 game, then I am getting this error, server maintenance underway. Let me show you once again. Here I am launching the eFootball game. You can see that I am getting the same error, server maintenance underway. It is saying please wait until maintenance ends. During maintenance you can still play VSAI matches by selecting exhibition from the home. So you can close this and then click on continue, and when I click on this circle icon, let's see what happens. It is saying server maintenance underway. Tap on login. It is again saying server maintenance underway. So if you are also experiencing this problem today, then just let me know in the comment section. In the meantime, open Chrome and in Chrome search for eFootball 2026 server status. And here you can see the AI overview, and the overview is eFootball 2026 servers are currently undergoing maintenance or experiencing instability as of April 16, 2026 with reports of app crashes and login issues. Players should check the official Konami eFootball website for specific maintenance times and update schedules, as these are often updated. So currently they are performing the server maintenance, so you have to just wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. And if you are also getting this server maintenance underway problem, then let me know in the comment section. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.